get loose. Hey guys, here at Eastwood, we offer two types of foot pedals for our TIG200 AC/DC and our TIG200 DC. We include this gray foot pedal, and it's a great all-around pedal, and it's excellent to use when you're standing up. You can rest the back of your foot and just use your tip toe to adjust your amperage. Now we also offer this black racker style foot pedal. This is really popular for working at a bench, and it gives you a little bit more control because you can rest your whole foot on there and rock it back and forth. So for more information about both these foot pedals and our TIG200 AC/DC or DC, visit eastwood.com.